You have to ask yourself a very profound question as a species. If you're here already, I'm just going to assume that you already understand that we're operating in hypothesis on a lot of the things we say. What I'm going to ask is that if you trust nature, if you trust Gaia, if you trust God, and you listen to the things I'm telling you, that all of the fruits of the earth are a language. It's how it speaks. It's almost like it's giving us all the stuff we need as a species. To find certain compounds out of millions we haven't even mapped yet, to find the ones that are going to help our consciousness become liberated from the human condition, that being ego and identity. Why would nature give us a compound to do such a thing? I believe that the universe is one mind. Identity and ego separate you from that one mind, that one consciousness for a brief period of time. When you consume certain sacred tools, they remove identity temporarily so the illusion breaks. You can see the truth of what you are.